Okay, people, it's time for an unboxing. So today we're going to be unboxing / unwrapping this movie with Jeff Bridges called Seventh Son. Heck yeah. Let's give away this digital code. I don't know if it's any good. This movie came out a while ago, so redeem digital movie now. There you go. Better look at the cover here. I always like Jeff Bridges. He's a pretty good actor. And we got the back with some special features. We got the DVD here and the Blu-ray over here. So there you have it, guys. That's my unboxing of the Blu-ray movie Seventh Son with Jeff Bridges. And that is it for today. I'm gone.